Hi, MFM crew and friends. It's Sonia, multifaceted me, and I hope you are enjoying the summer vacation videos that I am sharing. I always want to include you in my adventures, and we are going to Broadway at the Beach. Now, as you can see, it is night and it is beautifully lit up. It is a great place for uh, fun, rides, shopping, and restaurants. So enjoy. She looks very angelic and she struck a pose for me. I think this young man would have been fine if the peanut gallery on the ground would have been a little bit more quiet because they were shouting and making him nervous. But he did make it to the top and ring the bell. My favorite, the speedboat. Now I have ridden it, but not at night, so I am going to have that experience as well. The lights, the water is everything. More pics. As you can see, there is much to do at Broadway at the Beach, and my smile says it all. Thank you so much for watching, and listen, stay tuned because there is a part 2 with their fireworks display, and it is spectacular. See you then.